Welcome to online classes. Today we will start with our first chapter, Typing Tutor. In this chapter we'll study what is typing tutor, what are the various positions that we can use while typing on keyboard, what is home line, what is second line, what is third and fourth line, what is numeric keypad, importance of keys on keyboard, typing in Punjabi using Anmol Lipi font, tips to improve typing speed, proper posture and suggestions for repetitive stress injuries during continuous typing. Now, in this chapter, we will learn to expertise our typing skills. What this means is we can learn how to type on a keyboard properly. What are the perfect segments, perfect position and perfect typing fingers while typing. We will also learn how to use keyboard properly and position of fingers on keyboard. So Typing Tutor is just a program for learning touch typing. What is touch typing? Touch typing is a technique by which we can learn typing with all fingers step by step without having to look down at the keyboard. So what this means is we don't have to look at the keyboard. You may have noticed that some people while typing look at their keyboard and constantly looking at their monitor as well. What happens is that way is decreasing their speed and giving them more time. So in this chapter we will learn how we can type without looking at the keyboard. We're just looking forward on a screen and we're just typing. As we can see in this figure, we can divide our keyboard on two sides in two ways, one in green and one on pink. So green side represents left hand and the pink side represents right hand. How we can position our fingers on a keyboard? Keys of left side are pressed with left hand fingers. So whatever fingers we are using of the left hand side are to be positioned on the left side and right fingers are to be positioned on the right side. There are mainly 4 lines on the keyboard. Fingers of both of the hands are placed on the line starting with A. After pressing the key of any row, finger returns to the first row. So if you have noticed, this line, that is caps lock A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K is home row. Why this is called home row? Because we are supposed to place our hands above that row always. This is where we should start typing or position our fingers so we can move our hands freely up and down. So you may have noticed all the very left hand side of the keyboard is supposed orange. And look at the pinky finger, small finger, little finger, the color is orange. We are supposed to punch all these keys with our little finger. And the third finger, 2, W, S and X. This is all with left hand. And till our thumb is there, we can do the space bar. And same with the right hand side. We'll learn about these in a moment. What is home line? Home row. Home row is just the middle line. And what we are going to do is we are going to place our hands, our fingers, starting from little finger A, S, D, F. And then J, K, L and semicolon or column. This is the best position to start typing on. If you want to learn, this is where everything starts. And position of home row. First of all the 4 fingers, little finger, like we have said, place them by that side, like A, S, D, F and G, H, J, K, L and semicolon. Second line keys. Second line keys are the keys above the row line. So we are going to slowly move our fingers from A to Q, S to W, D to E, F to R, and F to T as well. Similarly on the right hand side, we want to place our fingers on P, Q, I and U, Y. Third line keys. Same keys below the home line, home row. So you should always remember one main point. Always come back to home row after typing the rows above or below. This way, while moving up and down, you won't be able to look down. So that is why the line starts. Suppose our fingers are on home line, means you should always keep your fingers in the home line so we can move downwards or upwards. Fourth line keys. Fourth line is numeric. The numbers above the keyboard. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. All are to be pressed with the same index or color represented to it. Look. Now we are coming back to numeric keypad. Numeric means numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have numbers above the second line as well, but we have a separate keypad for them as well on some of the keyboards. It is on the right hand side of the keyboard, and if you want to type the numbers or numerics faster, we can use numeric keypad with our thumb 0 on the right hand and the first finger with 4, second 5 and fourth 6. We have to activate. If we want to use this keypad, we have to press num lock. Otherwise this keypad is always locked for numerics. Important keys on a keyboard. Spacebar. What is a spacebar? To put a space between two letters. We use a dominant right thumb. Enter key. If we want to move to the next line or new line. Backspace. To remove or delete the last character that we have used. Shift key. It is present on both sides of the keyboard, so we can use any of them. So while using this shift keyboard, we can write a particular capital letter. If we are typing, suppose we want to write your name, so we always write anyone's name with a first capital letter. So we can press shift and press the button. That way we can write that letter on a capital basis, or if we want to write a special character, dollar, at, percentage and star, we can use the shift key. Caps lock. So if we want to write just one letter as a capital, we can use shift key. But what if we want to write everything in capital mode? So we can use caps lock option on the keyboard. Anmol Lipi. Anmol Lipi is a font which we use to write Punjabi in computer. You have seen that in our language we need to write Punjabi words, and in official words as well, official letters as well. Anmol Lipi is one of the fonts that we use to write Punjabi, and it is the easiest one, and it is spaced by English letters, same as the wordings that we use our mother tongue with. And we can practice typing in Punjabi language by using same finger positions as we use for typing in English language. Look at this Anmol Lipi key map. Upper and lower case characters means instead of O we have Thatha, Tata, A, Ada, Uda, Z, Gagge Pair Bindi, Jajja Pair Bindi. The same way we want to write them out. We shift and keys, we want to use the same letters, uppercase or lowercase, we can use caps lock. Just remember the fingers that we're using in English keyboard and they'll be the same. tips to improve typing speed. This is important. Our hand or finger position should always be in our home position. So always be on A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. Alright? We must start from the home row and return to the same position. We should reach other keys from home position. We should focus on accuracy, not speed. We need to learn how to type properly first, not on the speed. Speed will come as you learn to type. With practice. Don't look at the keyboard. Be steady. Be still. Even pace and strive for accuracy. What is even pace? Pace means typing speed should be even. You should not focus on writing something faster and something slower. You should be typing at an even pace. As we tap each key, we should say its letter to ourselves. Alright? So we will remember, our hands should remember. What is proper posture of sitting? While typing, we must know about the proper posture. So follow the steps. First, we should sit up straight, 90 degree, not lean down on a chair or something, directly in front of the keyboard. We should be facing keyboard directly in the 90 degree angle. Our feet must be flat on the floor, not dangling around or standing or lying about. Monitor should be at our eye level so we can focus properly. Our eye should be on a copy that we are looking at or the monitor that we are typing for, not on the keyboard. Our fingers must be curved and upright over home keys. We should strike each key with quick snap and then return to home position. So, put your hand or place your hands above the home position, and while hitting or tapping any key, you should return it quickly. Okay. You have already noticed when we type or we spend too much time in front of a screen or a monitor, our thumbs, our body gets tired. There are some suggestions to decrease that stress. First, position yourself properly at your computer. Your screen should be 2 feet away from you and the top of your document should be at eye level. So your body is constantly in a straight line. So you won't be able to move them in different directions for your reading, writing and typing. Your chair is at the perfect height. Your chair should be at the perfect height. From your knees, your right angles and your feet should be flat on the floor. Set up your keyboard so that it is flat and slightly elevated from the top or slightly slanting. Keep your wrists straight and elbows at 90 degree angle. Alright, do not slouch your elbows on any desk. If you do that, you will be tired and your typing movement will be hindered. Rest your wrist when you are not typing. So your wrists should be rested when you are not typing, and take a small breaks. Take small breaks instead of long one. Type for 10 minutes, let's just say 10 minutes, and take for 30 seconds break or a minute break, and then start typing for 10 minutes instead of typing for 30 minutes and taking a long break when you're tired. Stretch your wrists before you start to work and during breaks. So during breaks, stretch your wrist and do exercise regularly so your body will be conditioned for repetitive motions. Some important points to remember. Touch typing is a technique by which we can learn typing with our fingers without looking at the keyboard. The keyboard is divided into two parts, one for the left hand and one for the right hand. Keys of the left side are pressed with the left hand fingers. Similarly, right hand with the right hand fingers. To add numbers, most impressive and fast keypad is numeric key. To put a space between letters and pairs, we use space bar. Backspace key deletes one character to the left and a blinking cursor. To type Punjabi, we use Anmol Lippy font. Our fingers should be positioned and on a home position. Enter key is used to move up and down the new line. We should focus on accuracy, not speed. Speed will come with time and practice. Look at this picture. There are keys written on each finger. You should practice typing each key with the designated finger. If you do that, your typing speed will automatically increase. This is the best chapter to learn without looking at the keyboard. Type and practice. Thank you.